Hello everyone, I am Twinkle Sharma helping you to crack cloud certification. So today our topic is identity and access management policies of AWS. So IAM policies in AWS are JSON documents that define permissions for users, groups and roles. They specify who can access what resources and how. Okay. So what is an IAM policy? Is a set of rules written in JSON format that determines whether a request is allowed or denied. It controls access to AWS services and the resources, right? The types of IAM policy: identity based policy, which is attached to users, groups, or roles to grant permissions. Allow EC2 start for developers. Then we have the resource based policies, which is attached directly to resources like S3 buckets and SNS topics. Example like allow another account to access my bucket. Permissions boundaries set limits on the maximum permissions an identity based policy can grant. Example, users cannot delete EC2 even if a policy says yes. Organizations, SCPs, service control policies, right, applied at AWS organization level. The example is to deny root account from disabling CloudTrail. Then we have the type is session policy. Session policy is passed when assuming a role temporary permissions. Allow temporary upload to S3 during session. Then we have the structure of IAM policy. A basic IAM policy contains the key elements such as version, effect, action, and resources. Okay, so the breakdown of this is version. Specify the policy language version. I'll always use the latest version. Then we have the statement, one or more individual permission blocks. Then we have the effect, allow, deny, determines if the action is permitted or the blocked. Then we have the action, specifies the AWS service actions like S3 get object, S3 put object, S3 EC2 start instance, right? Then we have the resource, specify the ARN of the resource the action applies to. Then we have the condition, which is an optional, adds conditions to when the policy is in effect. Example, based on IP address, time, MFA. So, hope you will get the basic knowledge of the IAM policy in AWS. In the next video, we will do the practical of how to assign the IAM policies to the users or the groups. Thank you for watching today. Bye bye.